Good evening, teacher and classmate. My name is Raul Santamaria, and today we have the honor to explain about the verified gross weight, VGM, produced by myself, Raul Santamaria. What does it mean to provide the verified gross weight, VGM? The VGM is the mass of the certificate gross load, which includes the weight of all packing material more than the third mass of the container. When is the VGM necessary? The VGM is necessary before letting a fuel container in a boat. The load will not be placed in a vessel unless the certificate VGM is provided. Who is responsible for providing the VGM? According to the International Maritime Organization, the carrier as defined in the documentation, regardless of who physically performs the works, he will be responsible for the verification of the weight of the fuel container and any penalty applied in case of default. There are two methods by which the verified gross weight can be obtained. Method 1. It consists of measuring the weight ounce of the package is sealed and inside the container. The whole container is weighted. Method 2. It consists of weighting all the items outside the containers and adding to that weight the third of the container. What should be taken into account opt for one of the two methods. The second method can help us not to exceed the maximum authorized weight on the CSC, International Convention for Safe Containers, plates, because before having the material packed and ready to transport, we can estimate the total weight of the container. However, method 1 is the only one that can be used in the case where liquid bulk is transported and is unsuitable for goods, such as scrap and other materials that are difficult to weigh. Once one of the two methods has been performed, the verified gross weight must be communicated with the shipping document or sent the weighting certificate issued by the scale. It is very important that the weighting equipment complies with the national certification and calibration requirements since the verification of the weight must be signed by a person in charge. Discrepancies between declared and verified gross weight. According to IMO guidelines, when there are discrepancies between the gross weight of the declared full container before verifying its gross weight and its verified gross weight, data obtained from the verified gross weight will prevail. The discrepancy must be resolved using the verified gross weight obtained by the installation of the port terminal. The discrepancies exist, as indicated in some regulations, when the difference in gross weight obtained in two different weighting processes is 500 kilograms more or less for container loaded with up to 15 tons. The difference of the gross weight obtained in two different weighting processes supposes a percentage difference from 5% in more or less for containers that exceeded 15 tons. Thank you.